Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Guyanese style fried fish with plantain fries. Okay guys, so let's jump right into this recipe. The first thing you want to do is wash your fish thoroughly with some limes, lemons, or vinegar. Now the seasonings I'll be using today are complete seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, some black pepper, fish seasoning, and fresh green seasoning. I will leave a link to the green seasoning recipe down below for those that are interested. Now the first thing you want to do is combine the seasoning. So here you see me adding some green seasoning. I added 2 tablespoons and then I went in with all the rest of the dry seasonings along with some oil. I mixed that well to combine, forming like a marinade, and this is what we will be marinating the fish with. Next, you want to add the marinade to the fish, mix real well until they are all well coated, and then set aside to marinate for about an hour or two. Now today I'll be using whiting fish because I feel like it's similar to bangameri. It's not quite like that, but it's very similar, and that's the fish we use for fish and chips back in Guyana. So here I have some flour and cornstarch, and to that I will add the same seasonings I used to marinate my fish except the green seasoning. So you want to mix all that to combine, and here I will be using some green plantains to make my chips. I cut them up into bite-sized pieces, and I will be using some salt, complete seasoning, and some chili powder. Mix that to combine, and then I will add it to my plantains. I will add half of the seasoning now, and I will add the other half once the plantains are done. And yeah, you just want to toss that. But look at this now. I forgot to cut one piece of the plantain, and the big chunk of plantain is in there, so I have to go and just redo that one and just toss everything to combine, and then we'll head over to the stove and start the frying process. So here to my preheated oil, I will fry my plantain first because I don't like to reuse fish oil. Once I fry the fish in that oil, I will discard it. So we'll fry the plantains first and use the same oil to fry the fish. Fry your plantains to your desired texture. You want it super crispy or, you know, right in the middle. Go ahead and do just that. Once it is fried and to your desired texture, you will remove and set aside. Next, we're going to coat our fish into that flour mixture and just set them aside. Once we are all done, we'll head over to the stove and just drop them in the oil. And like I said, once you're done, you want to drop your fish pieces into the oil and allow to fry to your desired texture. If you want your fish super hard and crispy, fry it for a longer period of time. If you like it just right in the middle, just, you know how to fry your fish the way you like it. So go ahead and do just that. Once it is done, carry on with the same process, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of Guyanese style fried fish with plantain fries. It was so delicious. I couldn't wait to dig in. It was very well seasoned, and I made a sauce to go with it with mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and some hot sauce. and it was so divine. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.